Square footage is important and cosmetics are important. However, in today's meetings market, having infrastructure that allows them to be successful in terms of technology is critical. In 1980, we constructed and opened the Coliseum, the spectator arena. After that, we renovated the old existing Civic Center facility into a meeting room and exhibit area. In 2000, we eliminated an ice rink and expanded the exhibit floor. And then, of course, just recently, we completed a $100 million renovation and expansion to really develop a first-class convention and meeting facility.
When they started talking about the renovations of the facility, one of the needs that they recognized that they had was for a better Wi-Fi system and infrastructure to give their clients internet access.
We started out with the design build team. On their evaluation, we told them they could build the Taj Mahal here, but if it didn't have the technology, there was no sense in doing it. Those event planners and promoters would pass us by.
The original system, they only had the ability for 100 concurrent users. With their new system, we have the ability for 7,500 or more.
Event promoters and event hosts are now looking for ways to engage the audience in the activity that is actually happening. So it is very important for us to have Wi-Fi accessibility in order to provide that engagement.
With live internet polling or social media streaming, as well as Wi-Fi calling, it gives us a great backbone per se for communication.
Knowing that we were deficient in that area, knowing what the industry expected, the end user expected, Advantage Technology staffed up their team, brought in a team of engineers and actually looked at the facility, the overall footprint, and helped us with these specifications, basically breaking it down into layman's terms, but yet being able to provide the technical data that we could actually go out and put in specifications for design build teams to actually bid on.
The Charleston Coliseum Convention Center is iconic in the state of West Virginia. And as a West Virginia company, we are proud to be involved with the technology infrastructure. To engineer a Wi-Fi solution for a facility this large, with this many visitors, we use predictive site surveys to discover where we need to arrange Wi-Fi access points. Each access point provides a connection to the internet, and devices automatically transition to the nearest access point as they travel throughout the building. No single Wi-Fi router would have the range or be able to handle the load of over 7,000 users. In total, we installed over 275 access points, all concealed either in ceiling panels or utility spaces. They're completely invisible to the visitors and provide a seamless internet experience. You just connect your device when you walk in the door and it'll stay connected no matter where you go in the building.
The professional behavior and engagement that we had with Advantage Technology was second to none. There was no doubt in my mind when a general contractor actually called in and asked us who we wanted to use, we referred them back to Advantage Technology.
Advantage Technology delivered on everything they promised and then some. Everything has worked better than anticipated. Our signal strength and speeds have far exceeded my expectations when I came on board.
We've actually got a facility that not just the city of Charleston, but our region can be proud of. I feel like that we are a leader now within our industry, and we've kind of set the bar pretty high for all those other facilities out there.
We really affect the quality of life of our entire region by promoting and hosting activities that have an impact on their life. We want people to be able to come here and make memories for a lifetime.